What's up YouTube? Hunter here, Precision Retrofits. We're going to go over our light up door handles and our light up door handle harness real quick for you so that when you receive these, or if you order them from us, or even somebody else, or you just order the harness from us or whatever it might be, creates a little bit more of a simple install for you. So to start out, we have the light up door handle here. Switchback strip is installed already, obviously, so it's got this 2-wire pigtail coming out of it. When you go to install these, this will install into your factory door handle. This pigtail will go through the door, and then when you feed that through the door, you're gonna wire it up to this switchback module. That it's a profile 6-inch switchback module. Has 3 wires coming off the end of it. This black one coming off is a ground. This white one coming off of it is for the white light. Or the power, and you can wire this up to your running lights. You could wire it up to your headlights, your just a constant on power if you want them on whenever the key is on. However you want the white light to power up, that's how you would wire this wire. And then the other one is an orange wire that's going to be for the turn signal. Again, how you wire these up and connect them is kind of up to you. If you want us to do a custom wiring for you, make it a little bit more plug and play, just let us know when you order these. But yeah, this one will be for your blinker, the orange one that is. And then from there, you will usually, if you're gonna wire it up with our plug and play mirror harness, the way that this works is you have the factory mirror plug right here that will plug into the factory mirror harness, and then you have this portion that will plug back into the factory mirror itself. So from there, we have a little resistor here, and for the new Fords, we have to have this because if not, on the door handles and sometimes the switchback mirror lights, what will happen is your blinker will shut itself off. So this is what that's for. It kind of takes care of that issue. Older Fords, we didn't have the issue. Newer Fords, we do have that issue, so that's why that is there. So that's part of this harness. And then off of this harness, you have 4 wires. One of them is for a constant 12-volt power. This one, it's either going to be red or pink. On this one, it's pink. On this other side, it's red. And these harnesses are not side specific, so they can either be passenger or driver side. But this pink one, it's going to connect to a constant 12-volt power that will be coming off of your door module. So there's a module that sits on your door. It sits kind of lower towards the bottom, and it's usually a thicker wire. It's going to be typically either yellow on the newer Fords, either yellow or I can't remember the other color right now, but it's going to be one of the thicker, brighter colored wires. And then off that other wire that's next to that power wire on the door harness, the door module, you will have a ground wire, and that's what this blue wire is for. This will tie into that thicker gauge ground wire, and off of this ground too, you will want to connect the ground for your switchback module. That'll take care of all your grounds. This harness in specific is only for a regular cab because it's only a 2-door F-150 that these handles are going on, but it'd be the same thing as for a 4-door. You would just have more wires that would come off of this harness that would run to the back door. So this wire will run to the ground, tie it in with your module ground as well, and then off of the other 2 wires that you see here, you have a white one and an orange one, and this white one will be what you connect to the power. And so this one will actually feed off of the running lights, so it will operate as if when you unlock the truck, the light will come on. If you kick your headlights on, the light will come off. If you shut the headlights off, it'll obviously shut off. So this white wire for the module, or your power wire coming off the module, will connect to this white one. And then this orange wire coming off this harness is for the blinker. So that would be what you would tie in your blinker wire from the harness, the module here, tie that into this orange wire coming off the harness. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty simple. You have just your 4 wires on each harness. Kind of takes care of any of the hyperflash issue that you might have, or just improper power issue. We take care of all that within this harness, and it's a plug and play install as far as this goes. Again, if you want us to wire it up so that it's even more plug and play, so you're not having to do anything with this and this module, just let us know and we can add that on for you. But again, this is specific for a regular cab. This one's only going to have one module per side. You'll obviously only have, if you're installing light up door handles, one module per door, because you're only going to have one strip. But say for example, if you're installing mirror lights, switchback mirror lights, you would need this harness as well on the newer Fords with this resistor, or else you're going to have that issue with the light itself shutting off. But anyways, yeah, this one in specific has 2 modules in total for each handle, obviously, and the harness. So that is this specific kit, but this is just a general overview. It should help you with the install. Kind of simplifies things a little bit, and hopefully it's a little bit more straightforward for you. But yeah, just figured we'd do a quick little summary of that. If you have any questions, let us know. Make sure you check out our website for any other products, and hit that like button. Helps out our videos a bunch. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.